Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Serrano. And in today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Poco X3 GT, which is kind of like a rebranded version of the Redmi Note 10 Pro, which is actually an older smartphone, but it's still pretty good. It has a lot of really solid features, 67 watts for the fast charging. It's also going to have a dust resistance of IP53. We're gonna get Gorilla Glass Victus on the front. We're also gonna be getting some really cool specs like the Dimensity 1100 5G chipset, which is gonna be cool, 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of internal storage. So I'm looking forward to checking this out in a little bit more detail. It's supposed to pack a lot of features on here, including a refresh rate that goes up to 120 down to, and then it could fluctuate at many different levels. I think I just brushed my teeth, so I have toothpaste right here. But definitely gonna be a solid display to look at when we go ahead. So I'm gonna pop the top on here. All right, cool. So this is the presentation that you're getting when you first look at the box. So it's giving you that Poco, right here has the thing. So you get your case inside with the toolkit. Everything comes in here. So this is what the case would look like right now. So it's a perfectly cool clear gel case. Wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. You get the gel case right here with the huge camera cutout. IR blaster, we do get something up here, microphone, speaker, Type-C and microphone. And then right here is an adapter, USB to, this is new. That's pretty solid. So this is a cool adapter if you want to listen to headphones. I guess this doesn't have a headphone jack on here. So that's the first Xiaomi device I've seen remove the headphone jack, right? And then we're also getting your warranty card as well as your safety information and some cool Poco stickers. These are pretty cool. And then it says everything you need, nothing you don't. And let's just put this off to the side real quick and kind of just pop the top on here. Kind of want to see wow, there's still more stuff in there. So this is the back of the phone. It's a little bit dusty, I'm not gonna front. Let me get a fiber cloth and wipe that off. So it's got a plastic back. But this is the crazy part. It does have Gorilla Glass Victus. Wait, I thought that was dust. That's the actual color of the phone. It has like this twilight starry back on here, which is really crazy. And then it says 64 megapixel. But just keep in mind, we do get that 121 hertz refresh rate, and it can go down, I think, to 35 as well. So that's pretty crazy. This still has the sticker on there as well. So I'm gonna give this guy some juice. When the power button is doubling as a, right here, it looks like a fingerprint sensor as well. So I'm gonna hit that and turn the device on if it has juice. It does have juice, so I'll put that right there. Then there's a few more things that we do have inside of the box, like this super huge 67 watts fast charging brick. And it did come with an adapter inside of the packaging, the actual box itself. There goes the sound it makes. And then we did get your Type-C cord. So this is beautifully wrapped. It does have highlighted red inside of the cable. It's highlighted red on the tips, which is kind of cool. Different vibe. And so that's pretty much everything for the unboxing experience, guys. So let's just kind of take a look at this guy. And right away it's greeted with MUI 12.5 right out of the gun. So that's something that's pretty cool to see that they did that. Yours alone is the slogan, and it says right here you could choose your language. Let's go ahead, choose United States. It does say there you could choose the United States right here again, and then it says terms and conditions. I've read everything, and then this is where you would check. You put the SIM card in right now. You would do that right now, but right here we're just gonna skip to the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. I'm gonna enter. It has like a little good vibration on here with the follow-up. It has like a nice follow-up sound to it. So definitely good when it comes to the haptics on here. Really good haptics feedback on here and stuff like that. So let's skip forward right now. So it says getting your phone ready and stuff like that. So this is just the unboxing. Make sure you guys stay locked in for more videos because I'm going to be doing a review of this guy as well and doing a little bit more coverage on it, so you guys can check that out in more videos coming up in the future. So make sure you stay locked in, make sure you watch to the end of the video, and also make sure you let me see, don't copy, so hit the bell. I encourage you to get subscribed for more videos just like this. But let's go ahead and wait for this guy to boot on. I'm going to show you guys the startup screen. I'm going to pretty much show you everything you want to see when you first get the phone. So I'm going to show you some, let's see, let's skip this part, right? Okay, so this is the part where it asks you to check everything that you want to make sure that you install onto the phone before you actually get it properly and legitly set up. And then after you get it legitly set up, it's going to ask you for your fingerprint or your screen lock as well. So you could say, let's do the fingerprint. And then it's going to ask you pattern, password, or PIN, and then Alright, so I'm gonna do the PIN right now. It's asking me to enter that. So I did that. And then you gotta do it one more time. And so the haptics feel legit on here. So it's starting to ask you for your fingerprint on the side. And that's where I would, whoa, that you get a vibration every time you hit it. It feels really nice. And one of the things is that the fingerprint sensor sticks out from the phone. It doesn't stick in. So I like that part about it a lot. And then you could add your pointer. So I'm gonna add my pointer if it allows me. So it doesn't tell me that I could add any more, but I'm pretty sure you could add like up to 5 more fingers if you wanted to do so. But it says setup complete. You're ready to rock. That's pretty cool. So let's get this thing rocking and rolling then, and let's just check out this app tray right here. Lifts up. One of the things I like about this software is the floating window, the windows and animations and stuff like that. And this thing has PUBG on it, like right out of the gun. You also have themes, weather. Right here, you can click the weather app. And you can enter like a city. Let's just hit New York. Right here, it's Celsius, so you could change it right here, I think, to Fahrenheit, because Celsius would throw you off. Okay, so 43 degrees in New York right now, so pretty cool. Let's go ahead and long hold, and you can see right here we're gonna get some wallpapers. Let's take a look at the wallpapers that we do have. So this is the theme store. This is what they're really good at, is the theme store and customization. I swear these are the best customizations that you're gonna see on Android, because when you have like a dedicated marketplace that offers free wallpapers and things of that sort and things of that nature, it's gonna be a vibe, because you're gonna be able to get really good wallpapers at the click of a button. Let me apply this one just to the lock screen, because that looks really sick. And then you could find like a nice wallpaper that kind of suits the bill for you. This one kind of is giving me vibes right now. Some vibes. Let me turn up the brightness just a little bit. And it says you can switch between control center and the notification as well by swiping right. You can see right here. So let's do that. Go down, and you'll get Dolby Atmos on here, which is kind of awesome to see. Floating windows as well. So you could customize the sound. Let me just go into a YouTube video. Let me see, it's asking me. I just kind of want to hear the sound. We're at 96% right out of the box, it says. But I'm going to give this thing a factory reset and kind of reset this thing and kind of see. Let me see, the crocodile eats the, what is it saying? I have some apps loaded in the back, so it might not be able to load this video right now because it just closed it, but yeah, I can see that it's closing it.
Welcome, friends.
Oh, there we go.
Discover satisfaction.
Alright, so just gotta wait for this quick ad. And it does seem like it has dual speakers. Let me just wait for the ad to be over with. Yeah, those are dual speakers. This guy's going hard on this tree right now. Hold on. With the chainsaw. That's crazy. What can we look at this video in? It's at 1080p, but I'm sure you can get a higher resolution than that because this thing has a really good display to look at. Let's go into I'm gonna go into the settings real quick and kind of show you guys some of the settings. So we do have the MUI 5.12.5.7 on here, which is pretty crazy. 128 gigabytes of internal storage as well. It says right here, all specs, 8 gigabytes of RAM. And then we also do have 107 to work with out of the gun. So that's pretty crazy. This is a really solid device. I'm definitely looking forward to using it and trying it out in some more detail. You know, everything just seems really fluent on here. Let's go into display real quick and show you guys right here. The refresh rate is at 60. Turn it up to 120 and you can get that nice refresh rate right here. So sound, you can kind of mess around with all the sounds that you want to. Haptic feedback level, they put a toggle on there for haptic feedback level, so you can toggle it up or down, which is really nice. I like that. Themes, wallpaper, home screen, you're gonna be able to manage all your different home screens and stuff like that. And then you have special features and a whole lot more. There's a lot of stuff on here that I like, additional features. So this is just a quick glance of the Poco X3. Wow, there's a lot of fingerprints on here. Where did I put that cloth? Oh, here it is. But it will gather a lot of fingerprints, but I do like the Gorilla Glass 6 material, 6.6 inches for the display. The fingerprint seems to be really sturdy as well on the side. Look how fast that is. That's nuts. It has this nice sound to it. It doesn't vibrate when you click it, but it does have a nice sound to it. And then you get your IR blaster at top, dual speakers, 64 megapixel and 67 watts fast charging capabilities on here. So I'm gonna get right back with you. Show up in the comment section, answer all your questions, and then I'm gonna do a follow-up video with this guy. But let me know what you guys think of the Poco X3 GT, and I'm gonna get right back with you later, group. Peace.